here is JawMax app. So here you can see it, detailed jaw analysis, daily jaw exercises, your daily diet plan. AI-powered jawline enhancement is a wellness-focused tool designed to help users explore and improve their facial aesthetics. Using advanced facial mapping, it provides AI-generated visual insights, structured training tips, and general nutrition guidance. Pretty cool app, just focused specifically on your chin. So, some other apps are just focused also on your whole face. Here you just have the chin, and then you can just create an account. Also, male and females here. So this is you can. So here you can see the details, and then you can see the details, just an example for you. And then it just generates personalized jawline routine. You can leave a rating. And then you just need to upload a photo. You can see your results. You can see daily exercises. And also you need to pay for it. There is no free option to get it. So there's 1 month, $5 per week, 1 month, $13 per month, 1 year. Here you can see where you can just upgrade. So that's the idea. I think they also had some kind of referral codes, but I don't know whether it's available anymore. So that's kind of the idea of the app. So yeah, something like that. So this is the idea.